We'll be learning about the cloud. In fact, Amazon Web Services will begin the session for us by setting the tone for the discussion and the webinar today. We will also get to the thinking of national government, where they stand with regards to their cloud, their thinking about this particular innovation in absorbing it a lot more within our education system. And a panel of experts will then weigh in on the debate. These are educators and also service providers, so they will bring in their respective lenses on this debate for us as we certainly try to see how best to leverage the benefits of the cloud.
The good thing is that we see COVID has accelerated digital adoption in the education industry and encourage educators to think how best to deliver technology to students. And many agree that the pandemic has forced them to innovate and embrace technology to continue educating remotely.
And for the first time, we're now forced to look at technologies in the context of the new normal that we're living under at the moment. And it is also becoming clear that this new normal is going to be with us for quite some time. In fact, I would argue that we're essentially being forced to evolve into this new normal. It's an accelerated evolution towards using technologies which were otherwise available. Some of them have obviously been created by the conditions which we find ourselves in order for us to be able to provide educational services to our institutions.
But the bottom line is to the point of the new teaching models and new institutional models.
The university actually took initiative to give student data. We've come with an agreement where the university is prepared to be able to provide laptops, but it has to go to the student fees. So we've found that a lot of our lecturers use WhatsApp. And I would like to say that face-to-face does not have to be being with me in the same room.
Regardless whether we are face-to-face or hybrid or online, student demands are changing very fast these days. And while in the past you had on-premise solution and you had some upgrades on a yearly or quarterly basis, it's not enough today. Today you need to innovate continuously, and I think that's one of the advantages being on the cloud, that actually we can deploy this innovation almost on a weekly basis.